Christmas Eve, December 24th. I had an opportunity. We closed around 2 today, and I am a lay Eucharistic minister for the Episcopal Church here in Southern Pines. And so I had the opportunity to serve at the 3 o'clock family pageant service, which is the best service ever. And oh my gosh, the kids and dressed up like cows and like sheep and the little tiny ones. And we had a real baby for baby Jesus. And it was a she, but he was so good. And it was joyful. And the Bethlehem star, he came not rollerblading. He had one of those boards that, that rolls down. He flew in. He was a big star and he flew down the aisle on that thing. It was amazing. So hilarious. He had his helmet on and everything. It was great. And it accentuated the reason for the season and the joy that we all share on this day. On Christmas Day. It's a gift, and I am grateful every day for it, and for Him, and for God, and for you. Thank you for being such loyal, dedicated, creative, willing to try anything customers. So it makes it a joy to be here and to serve you. And we'll look forward to 2023. Amazing. If you have anything extra, it's going to be bitter cold. And if you're around, if you have anything extra warm, socks, gloves, mittens, scarves, hats, you can put them on if you need one, take one, or if you have one, leave one clothesline. So if you're out and about with nothing to do, want to clean out a closet, it would be a good place to leave them. So thank you for that. I could ramble on and on, but I think that's probably enough. I will see you in the new year, and it will be a good year. It's always something to look forward to, and important to remember to be grateful every day for all the gifts that we get from each other, from our community, and from life and from God. It's amazing. The days are beautiful, the sky, the stars, the leaves, the snow. As long as you're not in danger, it's all pretty beautiful and amazing. All right, enough rambling. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Enjoy your family and your friends. And thank you again. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'll see you in the new year.